Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're taking a look at Caffeine by Zhorn Software. Caffeine is a really small piece of software that basically just keeps your computer from ever going to sleep or keeps screensaver from ever coming on. And the way it does that is it generates a fake keystroke. That keystroke that it generates is an F15 key, which if you look at your keyboard on your laptop or your PC, whatever you're using, most keyboards do not even have an F15 key. So whenever Caffeine generates that key press, Windows will see that and just doesn't do anything with it. So it's a really small program. You do not need to be an administrator on your computer to run it. And so it's non-invasive. You just double click the executable and it runs. This is really great for, say you're going to watch a movie on your computer or your laptop and you don't want to mess with your screensaver settings or your power settings. Personally, I have my screen turn off after 30 minutes if I'm not using it, but if I'm watching a movie, that gets kind of annoying and I don't want to have to mess with power savings. So I just double click Caffeine and it runs in the corner and keeps my screen from ever turning off. So it's really simple to use. You got the home page here. You just click the download link. It downloads a zip file. You can see it's only 14K, so it's a really small program. Once it's downloaded, you extract the zip file. It comes with two files, the executable itself, and then a README which just has instructions for these command line switches, which I'll go into in a little bit. So basically you just double click on the app, and there you go, a little coffee pot shows up in the bottom corner, and Caffeine is running. And that's it, your screen will not turn off, and you can watch a movie or just do whatever, and you don't have to worry about your computer ever going into standby or the screen turning off if need be. To turn it off, it's really simple. Just right click it, and you can either just uncheck that, and you see the coffee pot empties out, or you could just exit it completely. So really nice, really simple. The switches that I mentioned let you customize it a little bit, so you can have it start off disabled, where the coffee pot shows up but it's empty, or you can have it just turn off for a certain amount of time, and then it'll turn itself back on. So the way you use these commands is really simple as well. So I have a command prompt here, and I've gone to the folder where I have the exe located. So I'm going to start it, and I'll just use this command down here so you could see how to use the commands. So basically it's just type the name of the app, and then the command. So you can see that command pops up a little message telling you it's active, and it has turned on down there. And again, these are all the commands that are supported, and they're really simple to use. So again, this is just a quick look at Caffeine. It's a really small, simple to use piece of software, and it's great. I love using it because it keeps me from having to change settings in my computer, and it's free, best of all. If you want to donate to support the developer, there's a little PayPal button on the homepage. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button up top. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for me, you can hit me up here on YouTube or find me on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Until next time, enjoy using Caffeine and hope it helps you keep your computer awake. Thanks a lot and take care.